Two trains travel a 160-kilometer track each day. The express travels 10 kilometers per hour faster and takes 30 minutes less time than the normal train. Find the speed of the express. So we have the speed. The normal train first. Normal train. The speed is, I don't know if we use it, S. The speed is equal to the distance divided by time. So we have speed. The distance is 160 divided by time. We don't know. Okay, and then we have the express. Then we have the speed is equal to, it's the same. Distance is 160. I forgot to. The speed is 10 more. So S plus 10 here. Divided by, it's less than 30 minutes, that is a half hour to reach the destination. Okay? So if we will solve S here, if we subtract both sides of the equation by 10, then we have the speed is equal to 160 subtracted by 10. If we multiply x minus 0.5 and x minus 0.5, I'm sorry, 0.5, 0.5. It's another way of expressing numbers here. The place where I'm working now, 0.5. That's why I'm a little bit confused sometimes. And this is one. I'm sorry. So that we have 10x if we multiply 10x plus 5 divided by x minus 0.5. So that if we simplify further, we have 165 minus 10x divided by x minus 0.5. That's S. Okay. Now, if we solve now, they're supposed to be equal there now. S is equal to S. Then we have 160 divided by x is equal to 165 minus 10x divided by x minus 0.5. If we multiply both sides of the equation by the least common denominator, which is x times x minus 0.5, then we have 160 multiplied by x multiplied by x minus 0.5 divided by x is equal to 165 minus 10x multiplied by, in a parenthesis, multiplied by x multiplied by x minus 0.5 divided by x minus 0.5. I will put that in a parenthesis so that I can group them, so that I can cancel it. Then we have, if we multiply 160 by x now, so we have 160x, and half of 160 is 80, is equal to, we have 165x, if we multiply x by 165, and we have negative 10x squared. If we add 10x to both x squared to both sides of the equation, so we have 10x squared, and then subtract 165x, then we have 0 here, 0 there. We have 0 is equal to 10x squared minus 5x minus 80. I can divide also by 5 so that it will be lower numbers that I'm dealing with. Then we have 2x squared minus x minus, that's 1. Then we have 30, that's 16, is equal to 0. By quadratic formula here, we have x is equal to, our b is negative 1, negative 1, plus minus the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times a is 2 and c is negative 16 divided by 2 times 2. And then we have 1 plus minus the square root of 1 plus 64 plus 64 plus, times 2, 128 divided by 4. And then we have 1 plus, if we consider only the positive, then we have the square root of 129 divided by 4. If we count that, we calculate that, we have the square root of 129, square root there, plus 1 divided by 4. Then we will get 3.08945. I will write those 5 decimals right now. Such that if we're going to find the normal train now, the speed of the normal train is, we have s is equal to 160 divided by 0.08945. And we have 160 divided by 3.08945. Then we have 51.79 or 8 kilometers per hour. But the express should have 51.8 plus 10 kilometers per hour. That means 61.8 kilometers per hour. My next video, this is a very interesting. A truck carrying a wide load needs to pass through the parabolic tunnel shown. The units are meters. The truck is 5 meters high and 4 meters wide. Find the quadratic function which describes the shape of the tunnel. Determine whether the truck will fit. That is on my next video.